everyone. Welcome you all to today's class. So let me introduce today's topic with all of you. Right? So let's go inside the classroom. Right? So let's begin the class, and I will introduce the theme of the class today. So the theme of today's session is basically finding rank of a word in a dictionary. Okay, and we will discuss without repetition case. Without repetition case means, that means in a word the letters, the alphabets are not repeated. Only those cases we will be studying today. And in today's session, I will be covering the concept, process of finding rank of the words, and also shortcut method. Right? So shortcut method will help you if the question carries only 1 mark, here 2 marks. So then it really within some seconds you can solve it. Okay. And concept, of course, you have to know the concept. You should know the concept. Even if you can solve the question by using shortcut method, the concept you must know. So maybe we can start with the words like of mother, where the alphabets are not repeated. Each letter is used only once. Okay. And also, going back to the background of the topic, so as we know, only 26 English alphabets are there. How come so many words in a dictionary? What is the secret behind this? Yeah. So do you know we can find the rank of any word in a dictionary? Okay. So let's see how we can find it out. What is the procedure? So today's session will be focused on getting the rank of the word tough and mother. As I said, I will be covering the concept part as well as the shortcut method. So here you see, first let me tell you how to find the rank of the word tough. Yeah, so in tough, okay. So here, question is find rank of the word. Find rank of the word. Rank of the word tough. Touch. Tough in a dictionary. Okay, so as you know, in dictionary, the words are arranged as per the alphabetical order. Okay, so first step what we have to do here, so Touch. We are given this word. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it contains 5 letters. I'm telling you the concept first, procedure first. Okay, before we go to the shortcut method. So 5 letters are there. Now first, you have to write it as per the alphabetical order, as per the sequence. Like you see, first Touch, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is 1. Okay, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. P, Q, R, S, T, U. Right? That means first thing what we need to do, we will write G, H, O, T, U. So first we have to write it in alphabetical order. Okay, so 5 letters. So we have to take 5 places here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first letter will be started. First word will be started with the letter G. With G in the first place, how many words can be formed? So G is fixed in the first step, first place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It means remaining 4 letters and 4 places that can be done in factorial 4 means 24 ways. So it means the words starting with G, number of words will be 24. Now next, so G we are not interested because we want tough. So till T we have to move on. So next one is we start with H. Now again fixing H at the first place. We have 4 places and remaining 4 letters. So no letter is repeated here. Factorial 4 again, 24. Okay, now G, H. Next one is O. So again, we are also not interested, but we have to find the number of words. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 letters, 4 places. Factorial 4. It means 24 ways. Okay, now after O, T. So T is something we are interested because we want T-O-U-G-H. So with T in the first place, so we are actually interested T in the first place. So after getting first place T, our focus will be shifted to second place. So second place again alphabetical order. So now G, H, O like this. So T is fixed here. We will focus on second place. So now G. So T, G. Now 3 more places. So 3 letters and 3 places. Factorial 3, 6. Again T, because T we are interested in T-O-U-G-H. So till the time we get T-O-U like this now, we have to continue. So T here in first place we are interested. Now G here next. Second place after G you will keep here H. So again 3 places, 3 letters, factorial 3, that is again 6 different words. TH. Okay, after H, GHO. So TO, something we are interested at, right? 2 places. So TO. Again here you have third place. Focus will be shifted to third place now because we want TOUGH. So TO already we are getting in first 2 places and we are interested in TO in first 2 places. So now third place till we get U, we have to continue. So here it is G, now TOG. Next 2 places, right? Yes, 2 places. So factorial 2, 2 letters, 2 places. Factorial 2, that is equal to 2. Now T O H. Okay, so here you can have again factorial 2 because 2 remaining 2 letters and 2 places. So here it will be 2 ways after T O H. So here you can see T O. So after H you should have O. O is already taken. Then T, it is already taken. So next turn will be for U. So TOU, something we are interested. Now TOU means fourth place will be again in alphabetical order. It will be having G. Okay. Then after keeping G here, we do not have any other choice. We have to keep H here. So that means TOUGH already we are getting. So that means, so we are getting here TOU, then GH, automatically it is coming. So now total number of words will be how many? Just add all these. So 72, 70. 8, 84, then 88, 89. Okay, so it means top, the rank of the word is, the rank of TOUGH in dictionary is 89. So top is 89th of word of the dictionary. Okay, so this is basically procedure, the process in which this, the words are formed. Now I'm going to tell you a very shortcut method, and very quickly, within seconds, you can do it. So here you see shortcut method of doing this. The shortcut method of doing this. Okay, so now in shortcut method, like here you see TOUGH. Okay, so let's write it as the way, we have to write as per alphabetical order. G1, okay, 2, then here it is, yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Then here it is a 4 and 5. So write like this, first G, okay, then we write H here, then we write O, give little bit space in between. Okay, then we can write T here, then you write U here. Okay, then you start from right hand side, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Okay. Okay, so next we will start with T. So here T. Now T. Cancel T here. Then you see before T, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3. Right? Before T, we have 3 letters. So 3 into factorial 4. Okay, then O. Now O. Before O, we have GH. So 2 letters, multiply this by 2. Then U. So before U, uncancelled letters G and H. 2 into factorial 2. Then G. So before G, we do not have any. So 0 into this. Now this H. So even if we cancel out, don't cancel it. And even if we cancel it, we do not count it because the last letter, leave it as it is. So factorial 0 will be remaining as it is. Now add all these. Okay, so we are getting what? 3 into factorial 4, that is 3 into 24, 72, plus 2 into factorial 3, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into factorial 2, that is 4, 0 into factorial 1, 0, 0 factorial is 1. Okay, so it is 0 plus 1, let me write. Okay, so add all these. So sum of these numbers, 72, this is basically 84, 88, 89. Okay, so it means TOUGH, this is the 89th word. 89th word of the dictionary. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, so if the question carries 1 mark, very quickly we can do it. Okay, so let me take one more question. Okay, let me just use the here MOTHER, mother. Okay, now we have to, so let me show this by shortcut method. So first one is, yeah, so if it is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 1, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. N O P Q R S T P Q R. Okay, so 5, T is 6. So we have 6 letters here. Okay, so I am telling you the shortcut method. The first E, okay, then you write H, then you can write M here, then O, then here it is, R, then you can write here T. Okay, so all 6 letters are written. Okay, now see, you will start from here, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay, now M. M, strike of M here. Before M, you have 2. So 2 into this. Okay, now next O. Before O, uncancelled letters 2. E and H multiply by 2. Then MO, then T. T. So before T, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now MOTH, H, H. Before H, you have only E, right? Then you come to E. So before E, you do not have any. So 0 into 1 factorial. Then plus this R last letter, leave it. Okay. So do not cancel anything because we do not have any letter before and after. So this is the last one, last letter, just leave it like this. Now what we have to do? Plus, 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 plus. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into factorial 5, that is 240, plus 2 into factorial 4, 48, 3 into factorial 3, 6 into 3, 18, plus 1 into factorial 2, 2. Then 0 into factorial 1, 0. 0 factorial is 1. Now let's add all these terms. 1 plus 2, 3, 11, then 19. Okay, you are getting 309. It means rank of the word, rank of mother in dictionary, rank of the word mother in dictionary is 309. So mother, the word mother has the rank 309 in the dictionary. Okay, so it's very easy and within some seconds you can do it with practice. You can do it within some seconds. So one more, maybe I can show you the trick. Suppose for example we have Zenith. Okay, if you have Zenith, so now you can take yes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, F, G, H, yeah, sorry, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H will be 2, I will be 3. That I, J, K, L, M, N. Next one will be, this sequence will be 4. Then this is 5, Z last, of course 6. Okay, we have 6 letters. So then you can write here E. Then you can take here H. Okay, I. Then fourth one is N. Okay, then T. Then Z. Okay, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay, now you see, we will take one by one. Z. So Z here. Yeah. So now you see, before Z you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into factorial 5 plus E. Now E 0, right? Because before E we do not have any letter. Then N 1 2. Okay. Then I one letter is there. So one uncancelled, right? Now here you see T. So we have 1. Okay, so then we have to leave this H, last one we have to keep like this. Now add all these quantities. 5 into factorial 5 into this is 120 plus 0 into factorial 40, 2 into factorial 3, 2 into 6 plus 1 into factorial 2 plus 1 into factorial 1. Okay, then here it is 1. Now you can have 600 plus 12 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so here you have 12, 14, 16. So 6, 1, 6. Okay, the rank of the word zenith in dictionary is, the rank is 616. I mean 616th word in the dictionary will be zenith. Okay, so this is the shortcut way you can do quickly the question like this. And logic I have told you in the first question also, right? So without repetition case, logic is very, very clear. So next class, we will be taking the rank of the word in a dictionary, the words where repetition of letters are there. Okay, so see you in the next class. And I hope this is quite useful to you.